Okay, this is now headset number 3. Still shit. It's 256GB model. This one again is a September 2020 manufacture date. My original one, September 2020 manufacture date. The one that this one is now replaced, that was August 2020, and it still had the same issue. So this is my latest, with no dots on the outside, no printing on the lenses. Okay, and it's exactly the same, small sweet spot, a lot of God rays, a lot of blur. Okay, and from what I can see in my original one as well, it seems to stem from the bottom corners are the worst for the God rays. So my IPD is 63. It should be bang on the lenses. I don't like this design because there is still shift in the lenses. Okay, so looking at this one here, I don't know whether you can see that. I'm going to try to get this pic in there to demonstrate. This bit here, okay, that's an imperfection. You can see, because you have to imagine my viewing area is about this. I'm not exaggerating that. The sweet spot is so small that I cannot see anything on the outer edges. You cannot read anything with your eyes. You have to look at exactly the one word that is in front of you. That is how bad these headsets are for me. Okay, and I've got every other Oculus headset. It's not a problem with those. So I've got this imperfection going on here, stemming from that outside edge again, where it clips in here. Okay, so you can see that there, and there's also an imperfection up here. This is brand new out of the box, so there's not any scratches, anything like that. Okay, this is just how it is. This one here, got another imperfection down here, and the same thing stemming from that corner. Okay, there's no reflections. It's the shape of the lens, and as you can see, there's no printing. Check for codes all the way around. There's nothing. There's no dots. Okay, so this is the brand new headset. I'm still not happy with. I'm still not keeping. I refuse to accept this, especially coming from Quest 1 and my Oculus Go. Both use the same lenses and they didn't have this issue. So this one has been used. This has been used for a month. This is the original pre-order, again September 2020. As you can see straight away, I've got a few random dots on my right lens, not all the way around. Okay, just this inside top corner for whatever reason. Now check my left lens, I have not got that. In fact, I don't have any dots. No idea what's going on here. You can see that imperfection, not really there. Okay. So it's hard to see. My right lens seems to be fucking awful, especially this corner. I don't know if there's something related to where they're installing these lenses right at the end, whether the angle's not right or layout's not right. There's a lot of separation in this one, so you should have a nice uniform rainbow going round, and this absolutely does not. There's a lot of imperfections in the lenses. You can just about see it there. It's quite hard. Try to get this pic tool in, so about here might be able to see them. Not much I can do. For example, I'm going to get out my Oculus Go and compare that. Okay, so this is now my Oculus Go. Pulled the faceplate off. Again, I have no issues with this headset whatsoever. It's lovely compared to these Quest 2s. So this one has distinct glue marks all the way around. Okay, both lenses. Not a random little bit like my Quest 2. You can see here a nice uniform rainbow colour going on. Nothing really stemming on the corners. No issues with these lenses. So I'm not sure what the deal is, whether it's a layup, dodgy insulation, angle, their crappy IPD adjustment. I don't know. Or it might just be the fact they've tried squeezing the screen too close to the lenses. There's something going on. There's nothing untoward on these lenses. There's a few little scratches and stuff, but this is, well, it's years old. So I sort of expected. But I have no issues with these lenses. These are the Oculus Go lenses. For example, I can figure out which way this goes back on. That way there. Okay, these things clip on. Yeah, they're Oculus Go retainers for the faceplate. I can put them onto an Oculus Quest. Okay, they would snap on there. I put on a right angle. There you go. So they're exactly the same lenses. So there's no reason for this headset to look better than the Quest 2s. And I mean that not by resolution standpoint. I can see everything. So if I'm looking at a menu, I can read what's on the menu. I can read the whole screen. Okay? It doesn't matter that it's a tiny bit blurry on the very, very edge where you're looking right here, or whatever. That's not the problem. The problem is on the Quest 2s, I cannot read anywhere near this edge, anywhere near the end of the lens, let alone the edge where you would be looking with your eyes. So there's a definite problem with these Quest 2s. And I'm going to try the 64 gig. And that'll be it. If the 64 gig's crap, I've had enough. I'm not going through 4 headsets to try and find a good one. Especially when I've had no issues every single time I order an Oculus headset. So again, my CV1 doesn't have this. The Rift S never had this. DK2 never had it this bad. Oculus Go, the same lenses and my Quest I sold, never had this. So I'm pissed. This is ridiculous. And it's not like I've got... Oculus haven't sent me a new headset. That's my original headset that they still not gave me any money back for. So I'm still waiting to get money back on that one. I went and bought a new one, so I'm 800 quid into this. And they're crap. They are absolutely crap, so... What do you want me to do? You call me a liar? Call me a liar, say this is worse than these? It's not. So it is what it is.